Afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you with another wig review. I've been wearing this wig for the past 3 weeks now, and this is what I took to Orlando, Florida for Volcano Bay, and I really love the unit. Here is the card. I believe this one costs like $40, and I got this in the color 1. It's the Magic Lace front braid wig. It's the box braid version of it. And my sister had actually got actual braids on her head that took 8 hours. And I just knew I was not going to have the opportunity or the time to do such a task by giving up somebody 8 hours of my life to do the braids. So she got the long, she got the Nicki Minaj braids. And if you guys seen my Snapchat for, I think it's under, yeah, it's under Orlando Beach Resort, you'll be able to see my sister. She has the long braids, and those cost about $275 for 8 hours. And I was like, I'm gonna go on Hair Sister and I'm gonna see if I could find, I don't know if this was Hair Sister or the other site that I normally try to find units, but to me, $40 by all means. Anyways, I wanted to show you the unit on my head, and my mother is in love with it. I'm in love with it. I really, really love this unit. As I've never wore box lace front before, so. And it did very well. And I went to a water park, so I did a lot of the rides with the unit on. Be careful when you do the lazy river. Lazy river, it will, if you tank or you fall in, it will come off, because I did experience that. And thank God it happened in the cave. I was able to plop it back up, plop it back in, but I learned my lesson. Let me show you the length. And there you go. So it does not make me hot. Normally I had it on at the park for a total of 12 hours because we was at the park for 8 hours. And I really loved it. So just wanted to let you guys know that I give this a thumbs up. And that was it. This was the one that I used for Orlando, and I'm in love with it. So let's see if I can try to keep it in good health for as long as I can. And that was it, you guys. You guys continue on being a blessing. Enjoy the summer. It is extremely hot, so protect yourself. Protect that beautiful, beautiful skin that you have. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye.